How to delete Botim account. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Botim account. Now first things first, if you go ahead and pull up the application and log in into your account, at the top right, you should be able to see your profile picture. Just simply tap on that. And then from here, if you go straight into account settings, account deletion option does not or no longer exist from one of these features right here. This is going to be the new update. So there's actually turnaround into that. Just simply go back. And then going back to the settings, you just need to scroll all the way down and then choose on contact us. And here you will be redirected with chatbot. Just choose on chat with Botim AI, hit on start now. And then what you want to have to do from the box is just let the Botim AI know that you would like to delete your account. Now, once the Botim AI replies, he will provide you a specific email where you need to provide your request on account deletion. And that's it. That's how you delete your Botim account.